Hi guys, welcome back. I'm Olya and I'm thrilled to have you here today. If you've ever found yourself stuck in the very trap while expressing your thoughts or writing, you are in the right place. So let's explore alternatives to the overused word very, and let's discover richer, more vibrant vocabulary together. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more language tips. If you are ready, let's get started. The first one is lazy, indolent, inclined to avoid work or activity, or just lazy. After a hearty meal, he felt indolent and chose to lounge on the couch instead of doing his chores.
And he was never, ever going to believe that he was stupid or lazy or indolent.
Very often, frequently, happening or occurring at short intervals. She frequently visited the local library to borrow books for her research project.
With the only requirement being that it frequently and accurately makes copies of it.
Very tasty, delicious, highly pleasing to the taste or smell. The homemade chocolate cake was so delicious that everyone at the party asked for the recipe.
It's absolutely delicious.
Very tired, exhausted, drained of physical or mental strength. After a long day of hiking, they were exhausted and eagerly went to bed for a good night's sleep.
They're suffering. On the one hand, if they do so, they'll be exhausted. They'll suffer.
Very valuable, precious, of a great value or importance. The antique necklace was a precious family heirloom passed down through generations.
Fine art, vintage cars, precious metals, and other forms of wealth.
The next one is very good, excellent. It means extremely good, outstanding. The student received an excellent grade on the challenging exam.
And rocket ships that would eventually take 12 particularly excellent apes to the surface of the moon.
Very roomy, spacious. It means having enough space. The apartment had a spacious living room with large windows that let in plenty of natural light.
The Hilton Chicago features 1,544 spacious guest rooms and over 200.
While we are learning vocabulary, don't forget about grammar. That's why I would like to introduce you my grammar story course that will give you an opportunity to understand and use the most important tenses that you always struggle with. During this course, we are going to work with video lessons, story sharings, working on our reading, listening, and speaking skills. If you want to learn all the tenses, all the essential tenses in 2 weeks' time, check out the link below in the description. You can't skip this course. Very smart, intelligent. It means having the ability to learn, understand, and apply knowledge effectively. The intelligent student sufficiently scored high on academic tests.
And what's incredible is everybody is as eager and kind as they are intelligent.
Very necessary, essential. It means absolutely necessary, crucial, or important. Good communication is essential for a successful team project.
And just like shallow reefs, they provide essential habitat for.
Very loud, deafening. It means extremely loud. The fireworks produced a deafening noise.
Even silence get amplified and become deafening when they're done by power.
Very cold, freezing. It means extremely cold. The weather was freezing.
Of sea ice that are no longer freezing over as they once did, and without ice.
Very quiet, silent. It means making no sound or completely quiet. The library was silent, allowing students to concentrate on their studying.
Emergence of the silent, flat-winged crickets on the island of Cuba.
Very clean, spotless. It means completely clean, without any stains, dirt, or blemishes. She took pride in keeping her kitchen spotless and organized.
I'm here to talk to you about how you can keep your house spotless without lifting a finger.
Very happy, ecstatic. It means overwhelmingly happy or joyful. Winning the championship made the team ecstatic.
Was one of the most ecstatic moments of my life.
Very large, huge. It means extremely large in size, gigantic. The new shopping mall was huge, offering a wide variety of stores and entertainment options.
Clear out a huge envelope of vegetation, taking in 10.
Very little, tiny. It means extremely small in size. The tiny puppy fit comfortably in the palm of your hand.
Now, you might think, well, it's a tiny little button. It probably is pretty...
Very short, brief, lasting for a short duration. The speaker gave a brief presentation summarizing the main points in just a few minutes.
But today, we'll take a brief look at the relationship between cultures and outbreak.
And there you have it, our journey through the fascinating world of the alternatives to the word very. I hope you found these suggestions helpful. Remember that rich vocabulary not only enhances your communication skills, but also helps you with writing and your speech. So, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, to share it with your friends, and subscribe for more language insights. Thank you for joining me today. Until next time, see ya!